Hello, and welcome to the Confident Wealth Solution, where we deliver proven strategies that help you confidently create, expand, and manage your wealth. My name is Karen Kitt. I'm a retired teacher with over 13 years of experience in the financial services industry. Are you making one of three common mistakes with your Roth IRA? Today, I'm going to share three of the biggest Roth IRA mistakes that could cost you thousands. A Roth individual retirement account, or Roth IRA, is an incredibly powerful tool for building a comfortable retirement nest egg. By contributing after tax dollars, you can create a tax free growth machine that will make your golden years a whole lot brighter. With a little knowledge and planning, you can unlock the full potential of your Roth IRA and avoid the costly mistakes that can derail your retirement dreams. So, let's get started. Roth IRAs have been around since the mid 90s, and they've become a popular choice for those who want to save for retirement in a tax efficient way. Here's how it works: you contribute money after you've already paid income tax on it, and in return, the money grows tax free, and you can withdraw it tax free in retirement. Sounds like a no brainer, right? But just like any powerful tool, it can be misused. And that's where the trouble starts. Roth IRA rules are complex, and the IRS is always watching. One misstep, and you could end up owing penalties, interest, or even worse, losing the tax benefits altogether. That's why it's crucial to understand how Roth IRAs work, and more importantly, how to avoid the common mistakes that can cost you big time. Let's cover some basics that you should know before we dive into the mistakes. A Roth is an individual retirement account that allows you to contribute a portion of your income each year up to a certain limit. The contribution limit is adjusted annually for inflation, and it's based on your income level and filing status. You can invest your contributions in a variety of assets like stocks, bonds, ETFs, or mutual funds based on your overall financial situation, your goals, and your risk tolerance. If you're in a high tax bracket, it might make more sense to convert a traditional IRA to a Roth IRA, but that's a topic for another video. For now, just remember that tax planning, knowing your tax bracket, is essential when it comes to maximizing your Roth IRA's potential. Now, let's talk about the first mistake to avoid when managing your Roth IRA. Mistake number one: not understanding the 5-year rule. This rule states that you must wait at least 5 years from your first contribution to withdraw earnings tax free. Don't make the mistake of thinking that the 5-year clock starts when you open the account. The 5-year clock starts when you make your first contribution. There are some exceptions to the 5-year rule, like using the funds to buy a home or pay for qualified education expenses. But generally speaking, you need to wait 5 years to avoid penalties and taxes. The reasoning behind this rule is to prevent people from abusing the system by taking advantage of the tax benefits without actually saving for retirement. The IRS wants to make sure you're committed to using the funds for their intended purpose. Mistake number two: not taking required minimum distributions, or RMDs. Unlike traditional IRAs, which require RMDs starting at age 72, Roth IRAs do not have RMDs during the owner's lifetime. However, if you inherit a Roth IRA, you will need to take RMDs over your lifetime based upon your own life expectancy. The potential mistake here is not understanding the RMD rules or failing to take them all together, which can result in penalties and fines. Mistake number 3, not keeping track of your basis. The basis is the amount of money you've contributed to your Roth IRA, which has already been taxed. This is important because it determines how much of your withdrawals are tax-free. For example, if you contributed $50,000 to your Roth IRA over the years, that $50,000 is your basis, and you can withdraw it tax-free at any time. However, if you withdraw earnings above your basis, those earnings will be taxable. The reasoning behind this Roth IRA mistake is that people often get sloppy when it comes to tracking their basis. Maybe they've had multiple Roth IRAs over the years, or they've inherited one from a family member. Whatever the reason, not keeping track of your basis can lead to unexpected taxes and penalties. Let's look at some real-life examples to illustrate the consequences of these mistakes. Imagine you've had a Roth IRA for 10 years and you've contributed $40,000 to it. If you withdraw $50,000 at age 60, thinking that all of it is tax-free, you'll be in for a rude awakening when you get your tax bill. That's because you've only contributed $40,000, so the remaining $10,000 is taxable. Or let's say you inherited a Roth IRA from your parent, but you're not aware of the RMD rules. You fail to take the required distributions, and the IRS slaps you with penalties and fines. Ouch. To avoid these mistakes, it's essential to have a clear understanding of your Roth IRA's rules and restrictions. You can't just set it and forget it. You need to stay informed and monitor your account regularly. So, what are the best practices for managing your Roth IRA effectively and to avoid the 3 most common Roth IRA mistakes? First, make sure you understand the 5-year rule and restrictions. Second, keep track of your basis, your contributions, and any required minimum distributions. Third, review your account regularly to ensure you're on track to meet your retirement goals. And fourth, consider consulting a financial advisor if you're unsure about any aspect of your Roth IRA. Don't let these mistakes cost you thousands of dollars in penalties and taxes. Take control of your Roth IRA today and start building your brighter future.